In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft 365 email to Outlook. We're going to walk through connecting your Microsoft 365 email to Outlook on a Windows desktop, so your messages, calendar, and contacts are all in one place. This process is straightforward, and Outlook will handle most of the heavy lifting for you. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. If this is your very first time launching it, you may see a welcome screen. Just follow the on-screen prompts until Outlook offers to add an account. If you already use Outlook with a different email, look to the left sidebar and choose Add Account. That opens the same setup window you'd see on first launch, so you're in the right place either way. Next, enter your full Microsoft 365 email address exactly as it was assigned to you. Type it carefully, then select Connect or Next, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. This tells Outlook which mailbox to set up and begins the secure sign-in process. Outlook will open a Microsoft sign-in window. When you see it, enter your Microsoft 365 password. If your organization has two-factor authentication turned on, you'll be prompted to complete that as well. This could be a code, a prompt in an authenticator app, or another verification method. Simply follow the instructions on screen to confirm your identity. These extra steps help protect your account, so it's worth taking a moment to complete them accurately. Once your credentials are verified, Outlook will connect to your mailbox and begin downloading your email, calendar items, and contacts. You might notice a status message at the bottom of the window as it syncs. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of mail, but you can usually continue working while it runs in the background. When Outlook finishes setting everything up, click Done or Finish to close the setup window. You should now see your Microsoft 365 inbox in the sidebar, and new mail will begin to appear as it arrives. Try sending yourself a quick test message if you want to confirm everything is flowing both ways. A quick tip before we wrap up. With Microsoft 365, Outlook almost always detects the correct server settings automatically. That means you typically won't need to enter any manual server details. If you're not prompted for anything beyond your email address, password, and any required verification, that's perfectly normal. That's it. You've successfully added your Microsoft 365 email to Outlook on Windows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having your mail right where you need it.